We're here with Corey. He's a licensed commercial and residential plumber. He also uses FormVue. Talk to me about like your estimation process before you started using FormVue. What was it like?
Well, you spend a lot more time driving around, going to see customers. You have to walk through every job. That was before. With FormVue,
Do you do free estimates anymore?
I really kind of got away from that.
Clearly, you're working today, man. You just installed this hot water heater. You just installed this water filtration system and you're doing a full bathroom remodel. You see the jobs and you choose the best ones.
With the different things that are in FormVue, you get a better understanding of who's willing to do those jobs, which makes it a lot easier. You can chase the money as opposed to wasting your time in fuel and all of that to go
Right.
around town to look at jobs.
Plumbers, electricians are some of the most
Yeah.
expensive trades
Correct.
because they're the most skilled.
Right.
And it's like you want to be spending your time doing that and not driving around talking to customers.
Definitely.